Section 5, the heart of a lion, power and performance. While their beauty is undeniable, Aston Martins are not just about looks. Underneath those sculpted exteriors lie hearts of true thoroughbreds, powerful engines that deliver exhilarating performance. From the sonorous growl of a naturally aspirated V8 to the spine-tingling howl of a turbocharged V12, Aston Martins are an auditory treat for any car enthusiast. These are cars that were born to be driven, to be pushed to their limits, and to reward their drivers with an unforgettable experience. Aston Martin engineers are masters of their craft, combining cutting-edge technology with traditional engineering principles to create cars that are both powerful and responsive. Advanced suspension systems ensure exceptional handling and road holding, while powerful braking systems provide confidence-inspiring stopping power. Whether you're carving through mountain passes or cruising effortlessly on the open road, an Aston Martin delivers a driving experience that is both exhilarating and refined. It's a delicate balance of power, precision, and poise, a testament to the brand's unwavering commitment to performance excellence.